One question I frequently got when doing the YouTube cash cow was, how do I know if a channel is actually earning a decent amount of income? This is a problem that I've frequently faced in my early days on YouTube. I saw different people in different niches, starting channels, and I didn't know whether or not the channels were actually profitable. This is because YouTube data, such as profits and how much you're earning, is entirely private. You're not able to see exactly how much the other channels are earning. So brings us the question, how do I know if I should start a channel or create a channel similar to one that already exists? Because I don't know if they're profiting or if they have some different type of revenue share deal, you need to understand that this is one of the best questions you could ask. Because you don't want to go into a niche and start a channel and then realize the CPM that you're going to get is going to be very low. So how do you check that? And what niche is actually worth profitable and worth starting? Well, one of the main indicators that a channel is actually worth a long-term choice is simply if that channel has been around for a decent amount or if the channel has been around for at least 2 years. Then you can realize this channel has been around for a decent amount of time. Also, if it's on a long-term niche on the list in that free course I gave you, then it's most likely going to continue to be around. Also, if the channel is centered around a topic that hasn't recently just popped up, then that channel is likely to be here in the near future. If a channel centered around something that just recently popped up, then that channel may or may not be around in the near future. Because if a topic recently pops up, it could also just quickly pop out. Now, one of the main things people want to do is check niches are actually profitable before going ahead and creating a channel that's similar to it. Now, one of the ways you can actually check this is by checking if a YouTube channel actually does have ads on it. 9 times out of 10, if a channel actually has ads playing along it, then we know the channel is monetized and is profitable. In addition to this, if a channel does upload frequently, let's say, for example, once a day or once every other day, we can tell this channel is most likely profitable, as the users of the channel or owners of the channel are actually uploading on a regular and consistent basis, meaning that they understand that that channel in itself produces a decent income. Now, what you need to check for when looking at channels is you need to try and see if some of the channels you're looking at have actually had big gaps in their timeline. Scroll down the channel and check if there has been a long period of time where the channel didn't upload. I know myself, for some niches that I wanted to start, when I did my research, I could see some of the channels posting on Twitter and on that community feed that YouTube would not monetize these channels for several reasons, which allowed me to sort of change my strategy and avoid these problems entirely. You need to be able to see if there were long periods of time where the channel that seemed like it was unprofitable didn't upload. And you need to find out what these reasons are and see if you can work around them.